Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to access Microsoft Forms. So let's have a look now. To access Microsoft Forms, open your prepared web browser, search for Microsoft Form. This will take you to the official Microsoft Forms website. Sign in with your Microsoft account. After signing in, you will be taken to the Microsoft Forms dashboard. Here you can create new forms, surveys, quizzes or access existing one. The intuitive interface makes it easy to design and manage your forms. If you are using Microsoft 365, you can also access Microsoft Forms through the apps or Office portal. Simply locate the Forms app and click on it to open. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.